What's going on, guys? We're here at the Big Nasty ATV park. Tropical storm Andrea just rolled through here, and it is gnarly. The ponds are full. There's water sitting on the track over there I saw. We're all rutted up from the wash off. It's gonna be pretty crazy. So the bull run was here Thursday. Bull run, the cars where they go from Montreal to, this year they're going to New Orleans. And they stopped in Savannah a couple years ago and went to the racetrack on Hutchinson Island. And this year they came here to the Big Nasty and they went down the mud pit and were playing around. They took a Maserati around the beater car track. And it was pretty crazy. I'm going to try to find some pictures and put up on here. But we're going to go around here and get gnarly for a little while. And Smith goggles. I bought these things because my dog ate my Oakley Mayhems. And I bought the air intake things. Well, I thought the air went in here. Well, these things are crap. I mean, they don't really work. It's supposed to catch the air and just blow it down into this top thing. Well, dirt has actually got in them. I've never got dirt in my eyes of my Oakleys. These outriggers don't really do much. And the lenses have got scratched as crap. And my Oakleys, I threw in my bag for 6 months and never scratched the lenses. And these, first time I threw them in the bag, they got scratched. So they do hold the sweat off your head good, but other than that, not so good. Anyway, last weekend I went to Atlanta. Went to the Blade show in Atlanta. Many of y'all don't know if y'all just watch my motorcycle videos. I'm into knives and guns, most recently knives. And Blade show is the biggest knife show in the world pretty much, and it's in Atlanta once a year. So I went up there to get a knife and meet a bunch of the makers that I'm friends with on YouTube, and it was pretty badass. So we're gonna crank up the beast here. She's been sitting for about 2 weeks. Give her a little bit of juice there, baby. Come on. There we go. 2004 YZ250F. This thing is a freaking monster, man. I bought this thing used. Carburetor was clogged up. The guy was asking $1,900 for it. I was like, bro, I need a new carburetor. I'll give you like $1,000 for that thing. And he's like, nah, man, I can't do it. So I was like, all right, that's fine. I left. He called me back about 30, 40 minutes later. It was like $1,350. I was like, sold. I'll be there in a minute. I've had to put some rims on it. I cracked the rims and tires, of course, and chain and little things like that. But as far as the motor, I had to do one valve adjustment after like 8 months, and I've just beat this thing to crap. Holy crap, we got a friggin' river here, boys. Yeah, this is gonna be pretty gnarly. Oh no, that's definitely slicker than house shit. Wow, that was funny. Oh. Down she goes. Well, that will happen in this slick ass nasty shit, whatever you want to call that. That's why we wear our elbow pads and our knee pads, boys. Get off of my... like 92 degrees today or something. It's only going to get hotter. So we're going to start trying to find somewhere to ride at night. Show these boys how to go over it. you do it right there, boys. Little river crossing. Up and over the hill. Bogging, baby, bogging. There you go, boys. A little bit more bogging action. Got a little bit of swing action going on. Somebody's building a platform for the swing. Water's nice and clear. Hell yeah. Yeah, boys. Oh. The wildlife, ladies and gentlemen, the wildlife. Can you see it? Kalani approved? Yeah, boy.